Hi babies, welcome to my channel. This is Maida right here in Beauty with Maida. If you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to the family. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back, honey. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Click that button right now, por favor. First of all, I want to apologize for not recording in so long. I really have been very busy. School has been a headache this semester. I barely had time for anything else. And that's the reason why I haven't posted since like February. But let's not talk about that. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the hair that I'm wearing. And I'm also going to show you guys how I did this wig, because I received the hair and I made a wig up with the bundles. And yeah, I'm just gonna talk about it, show you guys how I made a wig using a closure. And yeah, if you want to hear more about the hair and the company Dorsanee, keep on watching. I'm gonna give information through the whole video, and also I'm gonna give a final review at the end of the video, so definitely keep on watching.
This is the hair I received from the company Dorsanee, which is an Aliexpress vendor that sells 100% natural human hair. I received 3 bundles, 18, 16, and 14 inches, and 12 inches closure of Brazilian body wave. Very beautiful. I didn't show how it came packaged because I felt it's the same as any other AliExpress store. Each bundle comes in a little plastic bag as usual. And one thing that I noticed about this hair since the beginning is that the bundles were a little bit thin, in my opinion, and that the hair was so soft and bouncy, you guys. I love that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how I did the wig real quick using this hair. The first step is to bleach the knots of the closure by mixing a photo volume developer with a powder bleach. I used this L'Oreal powder bleach and this Salon Care photo volume developer. I mix them until I get a toothpaste type of consistency, and then I apply it evenly all over the closure, making sure not getting that I'm not getting the bleach on the hair itself, and applying a very even and thick layer, and then cover it with foil paper, aluminum foil paper. Then I left the hair rest for 20 minutes, but this hair picked up the bleach real quick, so in 15 minutes it was ready. And then I washed it with just regular glue. The one I'm using is from Dorsanee. And in this hair, I didn't condition it because I felt like the hair didn't need conditioner at this point. So I just washed dry it. Look how beautiful it came out. I was so proud of my job here. The hair is so beautiful. It didn't even need conditioner at that moment. That's why I didn't put any conditioner. I just washed it and that. To make the actual wig, this is the wig cap that I use. And I also make sure I have pins, hair clips, combs, needles, and thread, of course, and in order to make the wig. Yeah, the first thing I did is sew in the closure already bleached. I secured with some pins first, and then I started sewing. The way I make my wigs, I sew the sides of the closure first, and then the back. This method helps the closure to lay flat on top of the wig cap, and that's why I do it. I've been doing it like this for a long time right now, and it works for me. Now that the closure is done, I'm gonna start sewing the bundles. I always start with the longest bundle, which in this case is the 18-inch one, and I always do the double track for the first bundle. But then when I started making this week, I realized that, like I told you guys at the beginning, I thought that the bundles were a little bit thin. So I noticed that if I do it this way, I might run out of hairs, like even before I can even finish the week. So I only did two lines of double track, and then I went ahead and started doing one track at a time. Then as when I finished with the 18-inch bundle, I went ahead and I started sewing the 16-inch. And what I did with these two bundles is I saw them all around the wig cap and around the closure. So I went from one side of the closure to the other one, going all around the wig. And then when I finished with these two first bundles, when I started sewing the 14-inch one, and I started doing it across, so it means parallel to the back of the closure. I don't know if I'm explaining myself very well, but that's basically what you're seeing that I do right now. Like instead of going all around the closure, I go um, parallel to the back of the closure. And yeah, for the last track, I make sure the last track it's very close to the closure, to the point that you can't tell if there is another track after that or not. Like it's completely together. That's how I close my wigs, because I feel it makes everything blend even better. So guys, this is the final result. As you guys can see, the wig came out very voluminous. I love that. I thought the bundles were very thin, but maybe I was wrong, and they end up having so much volume, and I love it. The wig looks so full, and I used all of the hair, like all of it, completely. I love it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you guys how I place the wig on my head. Here I already have my wig cap on. I used a natural color one, but I put some foundation on top of it because it was way too light for me. And now I'm just applying Got to Be Glue, the one that comes in the black bottle, and using my blow dryer with the air on cold. I make sure the air is very cold. I dry completely the first layer of glue, and then I put a second layer of the same gel, and I use a blow dryer again. But this time I make sure it's not completely dry. We just want it to get tacky. And I'm gonna spray some of the Got to Be Glue hairspray, and I'm gonna go ahead and straight up place the wig on. It might come the one that has like the metal end. I'm just gonna use it to make sure the wig is in place. Um, that is glued, that is not gonna move around, and I use it with blow dryer. Always the blow dryer is gonna be your friend when it comes to frontal, and it has to always be on cold or cool. And yeah, I'm gonna tie up my frontal wig, whatever you want it, and I'm gonna leave it there for a few minutes. I know the video is going pretty fast, but I feel like you can still see what I'm doing and get some ideas. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Right now, I'm just using some foaming mousse to style the wig. I'm not gonna do much with the wig because I love the way it looks. It's just the wave is perfect. I'm just gonna use the foaming mousse to emphasize the wavy style of the hair, and to make sure that everything is in place and all the little hairs are blended and laid down. And yeah, basically that's what I'm doing right now.
So this hair is from a company called Dorsanee Hair Company. This company is an Aliexpress vendor, and they contact me through my email saying that they wanted me to try their hair and do a review on it, and I agreed. They did send the hair for free, but I'm not getting paid to do these videos, so don't worry. It's not a sponsored video. Yeah, this company sells 100% human hair, and I'll leave all of their links down on my description box, just in case after this video any of you is really interested on the hair, which I really recommend, because you guys can see how beautiful this hair is. It's just amazing. Besides the fact that I did a great job making this wig, the hair is bomb. So yeah. My first impressions when I received the hair is that the hair was very soft and bouncy. I love when body wave it's bouncy. Sometimes you get body wave and it's just body wave, but when it bounces it's amazing. The hair looked through to length. So the 18 inches looks 18 inches, the 16 inches looks 16 inches, and the 14 inches also looks 14 inches. Sometimes they tell you that they're sending you 18 inches and you get something else. This company sent me the right length. Another thing that I noticed at the beginning, well, that I thought, is that the bundles looked a tiny bit thin. I don't know. I notice that when you get a shorter hair, the bundles tend to be thicker than when you get longer hair. But for some reason with this hair, all the bundles look the same, even though some bundles were like two of the bundles were shorter than the other one. And even if it was long, if even the 18 inches one is not like that long. So I personally thought that the bundles were kind of thin, but then through the video I noticed that it really wasn't that thin. Maybe I was just stripping, but I really thought that it wasn't going to be enough to make a wig, because I started making the wig and I noticed that I was almost running out of the first bundle, the 18 inches bundle, and I was like, oh my god, like this hair is not gonna be enough to make this wig. Like I need to find a solution. So yeah, but it ended up fitting. I actually used all of the hair, which means that it wasn't like that much, because I normally have like half of a bundle left when I make my wigs, but for some reason with this wig I used it like everything. After making the hair, I noticed that it was very full. Like I finished the hair and it was really full. It had a lot of volume. That's something that I did love a lot. I was like, I'm all about volume and length, and this hair gave me both. I don't like this is everything I had left from this week, from these bundles, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this somewhere in between my hair. I did not experience any type of shading with this hair so far, and it's like even at the beginning I didn't experience any type of shading, and after making the wig I didn't experience any type of shading either. So yeah guys, this is going to be everything for this video. I hope I gave enough information for you guys to keep in mind that there's more companies than just the ones that you already know. If you want to buy in Aliexpress, I know it can be a pain in the ass to buy there, because you never know who's which vendor is gonna sell you good hair and who's gonna sell you the bad hair. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys information about this company. Like they have good hair. I can say they do have good hair. It looks good, it feels good, it's easy to work with. But yeah, like I was saying guys, I'm gonna leave the information on the description box. Don't be afraid to check their website out, their store in Aliexpress. And yeah, I guess see you in my next video. If you have any question, comment, link it down below. Click the like button if you did like this video. Also includes like a tutorial on how to make a wig, which I think is really good, because I'm not only talking about the hair, but I'm showing you guys how I work with the hair. So yeah, love you guys to the moon and back. That's how much I love you guys.